Titus predicts the Tyranids hive. Assist in the defense of the bridge until you confirm that the Xenos Overlord has entered the kill zone. Then trigger the detonation. Delta Wing, box check. Viridian's still in the air, Lieutenant.
Talassa receiving.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to relay. Maintain box reports. Gamma clears out.
Rearming. Ordnance away. Xenos approaching! Fresh magazine in. Gathering supplies. All specs primed. All specs engaged. Changing magazine. War gear acquired. Mark this position.
Those highways are drawn to the cycles.
Reloading. Ammunition cache here. Stim cache here. This kindles my righteousness. All specs ready to scan. Enhanced visuals incoming. Specs tag the zone through. Location marked. Changing magazine. Clear a blast radius. Throwing frag grenade. Fresh magazine in. Prospects deep scan ready. Vow revenge and stand. Scanning.
Only remains static. You would be the perfect firing point. Wait, are you being serious? No. Separate the light.
Rearming. All specs ready to scan. Be ready.
Rally point reached, Lord Ackerman.
The Munitorum does not store explosives to Codex Astartes standards. It's enough to demolish the bridge.
Changing magazine. Detonator prime. Exterminate the Detecting my static mine. Swapping magazine. Toxins in bloodstream. All specs primed.
More charges are required to create a successfully destructive blast.
Made our Primarch proud this day. We require multiple detonations for our demolition. Equipment marked. Ready to blow. Ravener, watch the ground. Deploying crack grenade. Reloading. Explosives prepared. That is all of them. Bring on the monstrosity.
The Hive Tyrant will reach your position shortly. Join the Imperial Guard defenses up on the bridge and lure that Xenos Colossus into the kill zone.
Flagged objective. Commencing Auspex scan. We are allies. No telling what surprises await. Dispensing stims.
Don't overheat!
Auspex ready to scan.
Astartes! We were not expecting such illustrious company in the rear ranks.
Location mark. Supply drop. Resupply.
Right now.
Our target is a Hive Tyrant. Once we kill it, the relay will be secure.
That's news. Without armor support to tackle a target that big, we may have to bring down this crowd.
Our plan requires it.
Is this a withdrawal? Negative. The objective is the Hive Tyrant, not the bridge. Defend this position until the Tyranid command unit is executed. Understood, my lord.
Incoming!
Activating Auspex advantage. Reloading. Releasing frag grenade.
The Hive Tyrant is on its way, but it is a horde of Xenos between you and it. Dig in for the long haul.
Enemies on our position.
You have its attention. It is moving to intercept. Apply more pressure.
Watch your fire, brother.
Xenos Leader Beast will be in visual range shortly.
Auspex deep scan ready.
Can't be deterred by its awesome size! Hold. Give the Hive Beast a moment. Detonate the charges now!
Rearming.
Bayonets! Citadel to win.
Fall back!
Target
I
is
will hold them!
neutralized.
It is not dead!
Titus, can you elaborate?
The swarm would go feral without their connection to the hive mind, but their focus is still on the relay. Reports confirm the Lieutenant's assessment. Enemy cohesion is still in full effect. That beast is not yet dead.
Finished.
We can hold this position, Lords. We'll keep the swarm off your backs while you hunt back the...
Look, the rubble is shifting down there.
Supply drop. Check your aim. All specs prime. Skippy, if you require a spot, my Auspex is precisely tuned for target acquisition.
I have not needed someone to mark my target.
Noted.
Wait, Ballius. Can your device identify the weak points of today's foe?
Yes, and its machine spirit is vengeful. Look at it flee!
Pursue and eliminate. We will not have a better opportunity to finish it off.
Rearming. Commencing Auspex scan. We are allies. Fresh magazine in. You are fertilizer now, Xenos. Changing magazine. I will attempt to keep it on the Auspex. Focus on target area. Stay close and
Active
sharp.
camouflage charged.
Yep.
Tell us a report.
We are after the Xenos Overlord. It cannot run forever.
Talassa, you cut out. Repeat.
Fingers of Doom.
Lieutenant!
Ready to scale.
Lord! Our Fox link is out. We must be nearing the relay.
Do not worry. When the Hive Tyrant is dead, the Lieutenant will know. Another Xenos bioform eliminated. It is going up that wall. Let us try to head it off. Zoanthrope, beware its mind venom. Injecting stims. Full specs prime. Enhanced visuals incoming. Reloading. Rearming.
Their numbers are no match for our training. Take all you can carry.
Gathering supplies.
Follow me through.
The moment of reckoning is upon us.
Encircle and eliminate!
Weapons up. It is not dead. It is channeling some kind of power.
Nothing in the glory cannot heal them.
All specs ready to scan. All specs engaged. Fresh magazine in. to these wounds. Swapping magazine. I am wounded but unbroken. All specs triumph. I require assistance. Administering self-help. Scanning. Exterminated. Rallies to your side. Assistance would be welcome.